Command the dark with Rough Country's rear-facing, lower, 30-inch LED light bar kit for the Can-Am Defender. This handy solution includes everything you need to upgrade your Can-Am with a 30-inch LED light bar mounted under the bed for outstanding illumination. Whether you're off the beaten path at sunset or gathering all your gear before dawn, you'll be glad to have access to additional lighting power to tackle the task at hand. Choose between a dual-row or single-row LED light bar for the look and performance you desire. This unique lighting solution mounts directly to the bed, moving upwards or downwards along with the dumping cargo bed, so you always have proper visibility. Rough Country's all-weather LED lights feature a durable IP67 waterproof die-cast aluminum housing and include a premium wiring harness with toggle switch and inline fuse. Best of all, this easy-to-install kit features a 100% bolt-on installation procedure. Don't miss this opportunity to upgrade your UTV with one of the best Can-Am Defender accessories available.